Welcome to the Jolly Roger. My name's Chef Brian, and today we're going to do an experiment, and we have two experiments to do. I had a question from a friend of mine on my deep frying video if we can do it in an air fryer. I didn't know if we can or not because I don't use it that often, so we're going to run through that. But I also have another trick that I learned from Food Wishes. One of his videos is really good. If you take baking powder, hang on, baking powder, and we put it on top of the skin of the chicken, it reacts with the oils inside of it and makes it crispier. So we're gonna do one thigh with baking powder and the other thigh with just regular AP flour and see which one ends up being crispier and more like your deep fried chicken. So we're gonna start with the baking powder. We're gonna get it a light dusting because we're gonna do a 3-part dredge. This is the first part. And I'm gonna get this everywhere, I can already tell. But we'll shake off the excess. We got it coated all over. And then we have our egg. We swap hands for that. And then we go into our seasoned flour. Now, if you wanna know what's in our seasoned flour, I will put the video up here for our deep fried flour, our deep fried chicken, sorry. I should have switched hands. And then that way you can see that. But it's the same seasonings. I just did a little bit lighter because we only have 2 thighs for today. Need to get this well coated. And there we are. Put that there. Next, we'll do the flour. Same process, just with flour this time. And then our egg. And then you get the gist. We will bring you back when I throw it in the air fryer. All right, I got my chicken. I know which one has the baking powder. It's gonna be the one on my left. We're gonna spray a little bit of oil on these just to see if that gets a little bit more crispy or not. So I'm gonna do the flour one because I think that baking powder is gonna work on this. So I have some avocado oil right here. Just give it a light oil. There's not much coming out of this thing. I need to pump it more, I guess. Never used it. So my air fryer's on. We're gonna go ahead and switch that into there. And that's it. We're gonna wait and see how crispy this gets. We'll do a taste test, a comparison, see which one we like better. See you in a little bit. Our experiment is done. The baking powder one didn't turn out exactly how I had anticipated it to do. I think if I sprayed a little bit of oil like I did on this one, it would turn out a lot better. But I still have some powder that's going right there. So I pulled them out, took temps, they look fine. I really don't want to taste this one, but there is crisp there, just not as pretty or as good as the AP flour one. So if you can hear that, that's pretty crispy. So, time to give it a taste test. Oh, if you are gonna do this, make sure you spray your rack down. I did not do that and it's stuck. So, it's all a learning experience here. Hot. Boy, is that hot. It's hot, but it's good. I think the air frying was a success for the most part. And thank you for the comment and the question, because I didn't know, so we had to test it. But it is very nice. So that's it for this. Hope you like it. Share, subscribe, comment. And if you have questions and I don't know the answer, this is what we'll do with it. Thank you. See you next time.